To do this, open the terminal with administrative privileges via the Windows Start menu. Run this command. To set or change the password for the built-in administrator account, interactively execute this command. After executing this command, you'll be prompted to type a new password and then confirm it. Open Computer Management by right-clicking the Start menu. Navigate to Local Users and Groups, then Users. Double-click Administrator. Deselect the Account as Disabled option and confirm. Set this to Enabled. Open a Windows PowerShell console with administrative privileges. Run this commands.